Is this the best budget, high quality Bluetooth speaker? Hello everyone, this is Amit Dan. Today I'll have another episode of a review video and I'll be opening or unboxing and going through some of the specs and test the Soundcore Motion 300 high resolution Bluetooth speaker. Now I just purchased it and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to start opening this and then I'll try to connect it to the Soundcore app and then we'll do a little bit of testing and see how it goes. So let's remove the plastic wrapper. That's the first thing. And the name of the product is the Soundcore Motion 300. And this is not a paid or affiliated review. I don't do any affiliated paid subscription, Patreon, or anything of that nature on this channel. So you're going to get totally honest and unbiased opinion. Now, I'm just going to go through some of the specs right here. So this is 300 watt high resolution sound. And you can see right here that it has LDAC codec, which is by Sony, and that what it does that it gives you or it transmits high resolution audio via Bluetooth from your phone. Unfortunately, this is going to only work from Android phone. iPhone doesn't support LDAC high resolution audio, so this is for Android phones. However, you can just use Apple phone or iPhone for regular uses, which should be good as well. Now it has Bluetooth 5.3, which is the I think it's the latest one, and it has it's more stable connection, and also this is good for higher quality audio. Uh, and then the playtime is 1300, and we have automatically adjust EQ with the smart tune. Now what happens, this one you can stand it, flip it, put it different way, and each time you do it, it's going to change the EQ on the Soundcore app, so that to give you the maximum possible best sound. And it has 9 band EQ preset and IPX7 waterproof. Now, this is not going to be dustproof, but it's waterproof, and I think that should be good enough. So let's quickly open this one. Hopefully, I'm not going to have a lot of hard time opening this. So by the way it looks, I'm just trying to see. Okay, so it looks like it opens from this side, and oh, it opened very easily. Okay, now I'm just going to see what we have here. So let's take it out. And you can see this is the Bluetooth speaker, and here looks like they included a small brochure, but I don't know if anyone even read these. And they touched USB-C to USB-C cable, which we have it right here. So I'm just going to set this aside here for now. So let's just make it a little bit nice. Okay, so I'll just keep it this way. Now, here is our Bluetooth speaker. So it looks like it's wrapped in another piece of plastic. So I'm just going to remove that. And okay, so it comes out this way. Then I took it out. Now, one thing you're going to notice right away that this is heavy. This is not light, and it's quality. That probably could be the reason. So this is rubberized material on top, and you can see like it has tiny dots, I think, for uh, just designing. And then here you can see kind of the one of the speakers, and then here you can they're rubberized grip fit, which you can stand it this way, and then you can see the same thing on this side, so you can put it like this. And also this is where you're going to see, I think, should be the USB-C cable input. Let's take a look here. Let me see if I can open this up. Okay. Okay, so it's opening this way, and you can see that this is where you're going to enter USB-C. Hopefully it has a little charge so you can test it. And whenever you're taking to the water, just make sure that this is covered. Some of the speakers, they don't actually need cover to go to the water, but this one looks like you have to put the protective cover on before going to the water. Now here we have a kind of a hanging strap, And the thing is, looks like it's detachable, so you can kind of like remove it if you don't need it. uh Let me see how you, okay, so you can open it this way, and you can just like totally remove it, although I think that should be good for now. I'm not going to remove it for now, so I'll just attach it again. And here, uh, there's the power button right here, and there's the Bluetooth button, and this is the bass up. I don't think this is any button. Volume down, volume up, pause, and play. So it looks like fairly simple. And here kind of like dent. So if you like touch it like this, you can know without seeing that the power button is right here. I think they did it on purpose, so at night you can like tell that this is the power button. And also this should light up at night. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to press the power buttons to see if it turns on. Okay, so I'm familiar with this sound. Looks like it's a regular Soundcore sound, which you get from other Soundcore devices. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect it to my phone Bluetooth. So you can see that I have my Bluetooth on here. I have my Bluetooth on, and let's go inside and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the regular Bluetooth setting, but somehow, okay, so this is what I got here, and Soundcore Motion will appear on devices under this email address. So connect, and looks like it's setting up devices. And okay, so the connection was fairly simple. It's not that complicated, and looks like it's all done now. So I'm just going to uh, play something here. Just give me a second. I have, okay, so I have a music on here. Although if I'm playing through the speaker, you may not hear the actual voice, I mean actual sound, because it's coming through the phone's ear or phone's sound system, but let's try anyway. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Let's pause it. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, these buttons actually working, volume going up and down, but somehow, I don't know why this is not working. I'm trying to pause from here, but it looks like it doesn't work. So that part I'm not sure. It could be that I'm playing for an app, which is right here. Let me just try again now. Okay, so this is not working. So I have a feeling that I'm using a web app to play this, and I think that could be the reason it's not working. But it's working from here. But when I press it here, it just looks like it's not working. So I'm not sure what is that for, why it didn't work. But the sound quality, let's try this one. So what I'm going to do, I'll just like add this device to the Soundcore app, and let's see if it works. And it's trying to find the Soundcore Motion 300, which already did, and it says that setting up your device, and I'm just going to click here, and looks like it's set up. And here you can see that grant access to clipboard accept. Okay, and you can see that it says lying, because it's like right now it's lying. If I put it this way, and it should change it here too, and you can see that standing. So it has adaptive sound. And then let's look at the Soundcore signature, which have, okay, it's just giving me some. Okay, so there's like custom, and there's the preset. So I think for now, I'm just going to keep on the preset. But if you want to change it, you can see that there's the Soundcore signature, extra bass, voice, balanced, and then it's going to change based on what you choose. But I'm just going to keep it the Soundcore signature, and also I'm not just going to change it custom way. So let me just play again. Okay, so it looks like I have the same problem. Somehow it's not playing from the app. So I don't know why it's happening. But I'm just going to go back to the web, and you can see that. Okay, I'll just try to upper the volume a little bit. Okay, so that should be good for now. And in terms of the sound quality, I don't see anything to complain about, but I think the upper, mid, and high probably sounds like very little bit muddy. But you have to also keep in mind that this is a small Bluetooth speaker, and if you play it very loud, then definitely I don't think for most people you're not going to hear any difference. But if you're like an audiophile, or if you're like into audio, then you might feel a little bit of upper, mid, and high, little bit kind of like distortion, not really distortion, but a little bit lower. I don't think it's a big deal for me. I don't really pay attention that much. However, for everything else, it's hard to find anything to complain about due to the price and due to the quality. So I'm happy with the product. Now, one thing we're going to do audio testing to see how the audio sounds, and I will attach it to the video. But except that, I don't think you can go wrong with the price and the quality. So definitely, I'm happy with the product, and I'm going to be using this a lot from now on. Hey guys, so I'm going to do the sound testing right now. I have to switch the camera because I'm going to use my other phone to call. So we're going to call Walking Lady, and we're going to see how the sound quality is right now. So and it's connected. Now, one thing I found out that right now, this is actually working for the volume, for the pause and play. So for example, I connected to YouTube on my phone, and if I play, so it looks like our plane is right there, the Thai Airlines, and we're boarding the flight right now from the NRT Japan Narita Airport. So this is working right now. So I think before I had probably the issue with the app, which didn't work, but it works. Now I'm just going to call Walking Lady from the other phone, and let's see how's the sound quality. So it's connected to Bluetooth on the other phone, and you can see that right here, Soundcore, and we'll just call and see what happens.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Okay, you're on camera. So we just called, I mean, your voice is on camera. So we just called Walking Lady, and let's see if she can hear us. So how's the sound quality?
Yeah, it's good. I listened to it and then yeah, it's amazing.
Your
I cannot
voice,
believe it.
yeah?
Yeah, I cannot believe it is real.
Okay, so when I'm hearing your voice, it sounds very good too. And you're saying that when you hear me, it sounds like normal?
Real. Yeah.
Oh, so you cannot even tell that I'm connected to a speaker.
Oh no no. It sounds like you're on
Uh,
speaker.
oh, it sounds like I'm on a speaker? Can you tell the
Yeah.
difference between when I'm on the phone and I'm on speaker?
Yeah, yeah.
You can tell the
Yeah.
difference.
Yeah.
But is it still good quality or bad quality?
This is good quality.
Okay, so you have no problem understanding, or there's no
No,
sound
no.
distortion.
No. No.
Okay, all right. So thank you for the sound testing help. I'll go get back to the video.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Good luck.
All right, thank you. Okay, guys, so you heard that the audio quality is good when you are using this as a speaker. But what she mentioned that still you can tell that you're calling through the speaker, not the phone. But I think that's normal because whenever you're calling through speaker, definitely is going to pick up like you're going to have that feeling that is connected to a device. But she had no problem understanding the audio or my voice, and that's the most important part. And when I was hearing her audio or her voice, it's very clear. There's no distortion, no nothing. So definitely you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker which is connected to the phone, and whenever you're listening to something, then you can just pick up the call, or you can just uh, use this to make the conversation. So that's a very good feature. And for that, so what happens to pick up the call, I didn't have to change anything, so I just called from my phone, and just the voice came here when I was connected. So I don't think you need to do anything extra, but definitely everything is good so far and cannot really complain based on the price. And this is like usually 80 to 100 Canadian dollar, or could be 110, but I bought on Amazon Prime Day, and I think I paid maybe 80 or something around that range. So definitely the price is very good. So that was the review of the Soundcore Motion 300 high resolution Bluetooth speaker with high resolution LDAC codec by Sony. And so far so good, cannot really complain. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.